Hi everybody, I hope you're enjoying your week and focusing on the number 5. So today we're going to have a look at using the part-whole model to find out how we can make the number 5. So I'm going to try and share my screen with you. Let's see. Okay, so here we go. This is our part-whole model. Perhaps you could tell the grown-up that's with you, pointing at the screen, which bit is the whole and which bits are the parts. Now, can you see that in our whole, we have got 5 counters. Now, if you don't have counters at home, it's absolutely fine. You can use whatever you want. And in the classroom, we've made up our own part wholes using paper plates, but you could use normal plates or bowls you've got at home, or just, you could even go outside and draw some circles on the ground with some chalk, as long as you've got one, which is the whole, and then you've got the parts. And I'm not going to say how many parts because that's a bit of a challenge later on for you. Okay, so if we've got 5 is our whole, we're now going to split that into 2 parts. So how many shall I put in the first one? I think I'm going to put 1 counter. So 1 part is 1. And then I'm going to put the other ones into the other part. So I've got 1 part is 1 and the other part is 4, and the whole, we know that, don't we, is 5. Okay, so I can do it like that, and I know that the whole can be broken into parts and that the parts make the whole. So if I put my counters back, let's just make sure I haven't lost any on the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So we've got our whole, which is 5. And this time, I'm going to have 1 part, which is going to have 2 counters. And I'm going to put my other counters in the other part. 1, 2, 3. So we know that 2 and 3, so 2 and 3 makes 5. Okay, now I'm not going to do all the ways to make 5 because that's what I want you to find out. And you can do it on plates, like so. You can do it on circles on the floor. You can do it with whatever you want as long as you've got 5 of them. Okay, and when you've done it, have a go and think, how could I record this so that my teacher can see it? You might want to take photos of your part wholes. You might want to have a go at drawing pictures with dots. You might want to draw pictures with numbers, or you might want to write what you found out. It's up to you how you record it. And the other thing is that we don't always have to have 2 parts. So if you find that really easy and you think, oh, I'd really like a challenge, how about, can you split 5 into 3 parts? And what are the different parts? And how many different ways can you find? Or could you split it into 4 parts and see what you find out? It's a bit of an investigation for you, that bit. And don't forget that the whole can be broken into parts. Let's all say that together. The whole can be broken into parts. And let's all say The parts make the whole. The parts make the whole. Fantastic. Right, I'm looking forward to seeing all your maths over the next couple of days. So I hope you enjoy finding out about different ways to make 5. Bye.